No. All right, this is tank number 5 or 6 on this junk ass GRP motor. Oh, we'll say 5 on this junk ass Italian GRP motor, but we all know that when it gets broke in, it'll be a world champion just like every other GRP, so shut it. Now he's gonna talk on the phone and break his car in at the same time. Nice. We'll be back with you in a little bit. This is getting pretty boring. We'll see you in another couple of tanks. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, what a difference 7 tanks make. Seems like just 15 minutes ago we were blubbering rich. Now we're doing a little better. Still got a little ways to go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, that motor about to break in. We were going to show y'all how good it sounded. It's been running up and down the street for 3 or 4 tanks, sounding real good. Oh, might be we're getting a little closer to being broke in here. Oh yes, I've heard that before. Dang. Oh well, we'll be back in a minute when it gets leaned up a little bit more.